Welcome to the installation and review video for the crucial 16 GB RAM for the MacBook Pro. To start with the installation, we'll have to first remove the screws from the MacBook Pro. To do that, we'll turn the MacBook upside down and start removing the screws. On removing the screws, you will notice that there are two types of screws. There are the big ones and there are the small ones. So remember the placement of the screws, which will help you when we have to put the screws back on. So this is a crucial 16 GB RAM which I ordered from Amazon. It comes in two 8 GB chips. So let's unbox that and start with the installation process. When you look at the back side of your opened MacBook Pro, the blue area which you see is where your existing RAM is located. To the right and the left you will see two plastic bars. Just push them away from the RAM as shown in the video and the RAM will pop out. Once it pops out, you just have to pull it out like that. And that is the first 2 GB module of the existing 4 GB RAM. And to remove the second one, repeat it exactly the same. Just make sure that the RAM is completely out, and once you confirm that, you can just pull it out. Before we start installing the RAM, let's take a look at the slot. There is a gap at the bottom of the RAM, and similarly, if you see, the port on your laptop is also divided into two parts, one being a little larger and the other being small. So when inserting the RAM, you have to make sure that it is properly aligned like that. So there are two slots, one at the lower and one at the top. So we'll first place the RAM at the bottom slot. Just push it in like that, and once you hear a click sound and it is confirmed that the RAM is properly inserted, we will just push it in like that, and there we have installed the first RAM. Similarly, we'll install the second RAM in the slot above. So to do that, we'll have to slide the RAM inside like that, and once it is completely inside, we push it in, and that completes the RAM installation. So let's boot up our system to check the RAM installed on the MacBook Pro, and it shows 16 GB.